Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I'm going to be showing you all how I do a flawless makeup application on a dime. Most of the items that I'm going to show you all are drugstore, and if they aren't drugstore related, these products are inexpensive. So this first product that I'm going to apply to my skin is the Massive Primer by Mayebelline. This is by Face Studio, and it's their Blur and Illuminate primer. When I tell you this will take your situation up a notch. I am so happy with how this makes my skin feel, with how it makes it look. It just gives you this really buttery finish, and it makes your skin feel like it's moisturized and not dry. It also gives your skin a nice effortless glow. So if you want to wear this alone without makeup, you can go out with your bare skin with this product and it's going to look amazing. So this next primer is a staple in my makeup application. I typically just use this one, but I just started using the one that I showed you prior. This is the Stay Matte Primer by Rimmel London. I love this one because it helps to mattify my skin and also control shine. It's awesome. Now that we've primed our skin, it's time to move on to foundation. I just started using this as well, like maybe 2 weeks ago, and listen, there are levels to foundation. This black Radiance foundation stick is so great, y'all. Many of y'all on my Instagram as well as on YouTube noticed a difference when I started using this foundation and also the primers that I started to use. This foundation is so lightweight. It's like it's not even there. I just love it, and it matches my skin so perfectly. I use color Cocoa Bean, and it just blends and just meshes with my skin. It's like the perfect marriage. I used to use Maybelline Fit Me all the time. That was my go-to. But now that I've tried this foundation, I'm really debating if I'm going to go back to Maybelline Fit Me. Black Radiance is really doing the thing. So after applying my foundation, I'm now going to blend it out using my foundation brush by Real Techniques. I really love this brush. It really helps to buff everything out, and I'm covering my mole so I don't get any on that. One thing that I've learned throughout the years of applying makeup is that your brushes are very important. You need really soft, plush brushes. That's really going to give you that flawless finish. Recently, I heard a beauty guru, I think it was Isma Ray Ray, say we're not using LA Pro anymore. She had gone back to this concealer, and I was like, girl, what you talking about? We still using LA Pro over here. I love me some LA Pro concealer. I'm using it in color Fawn and also Warm Honey. I mix those together and then began to highlight the areas under my eyes. I'm also going to do my nose and my forehead, and I also kind of transferred onto the area above my nose. Above my lip.
Myself ain't never talked to me like that before. No. And I wonder what on earth is he searching for? No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark. Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for me. I'm scared of me. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror.
Okay, so now we need to set everything. I'm going to be using this black Opal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in order to set. I'm using it in color Neutral Light, and I love the finish that it gives. You could decide to bake with this product if you'd like to, but I don't actually bake in every area. I only bake where my laugh lines are. I feel like when I bake, my makeup looks dry and ashy, and maybe I'm just not doing it right. I don't know, but I don't bake, y'all. Okay, so now that I've actually blended out all of the finishing powder, I'm going to begin to contour and make sure this face is looking snatched. To contour, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Dark to Deep Contour Palette, and I'm using the two darkest colors. I feel like they look so great with my skin. So I've already contoured in all the areas where I wanted a more sculpted face. So now we're going to add the blush, and I love this BH Cosmetics blush palette, and this is a 26 color palette. These are my two staple colors. They look so good on my cheeks. So I'm just going to blend those out on my cheekbone, and then the apples of my cheeks, I'm going to begin to focus the product there.
And I wonder what on earth is he searching for? No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more.
After applying our blush, the obvious next step is to highlight. I love this Carli Bybel Deluxe palette. The golden color looks so beautiful. It just takes your makeup to the next level.
You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark. Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for it. I'm scared of it.
After completing this process, I did my eyebrows off camera, and now we're going to begin to apply the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to do a really simple eyeshadow look. I'm going to use the brown from that palette, put that on my eyelids, and then use a Wet n Wild Trio combination eyeshadow in the crease, and then I'm going to line my eyes and also go in and add some lashes that I'm also going to do off camera because I suck at lashes, especially when recording. And then we're going to do the lips.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on your soul, unfair to all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror.
Now the look is coming together, but before we move on to our lips, I do want to add a little pop to my inner tear ducts. This creates a more awake look. I love adding some shine in that area. And now we're going to move on to the lip combo. Y'all been asking me religiously for this combination, so I'm going to show you all. So I typically start by applying this lipstick first. This is Nicka K Velveteen lipstick in color Gianduja Chocolate, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't even know. So I'm going to apply that first, and then I'm going to go in the center with Bare It All by Wet n Wild. This is a beautiful new color. If you want to do this by itself, it's going to be gorgeous. So I'm going to apply that to the center. And if you'd like, you can actually stop here after you've applied the Bare It All to the middle because it looks good this way. I've worn this look before, but I wanted a glossier look. We got to have our lip gloss popping and everything. So I'm going to go in with this lip gloss, and this is by Wet n Wild. It's in color Rose Gold. This is going to amp up the lip a little bit. You see how it just gives you that nice pouty lip action? It just looks so gorgeous. And I'm sure y'all could tell that I really like this lip gloss a lot because I keep adding more. And at this point, you all probably think we're done with the lip, but we're not. I'm going to add this Stoplight Red by Wet n Wild, and I'm only going to graze it over the lip. I'm not going to go in really deep with that color. I just wanted my lips to have more of a rosy look. And then we're going to add more lip gloss because lip gloss is necessary. Not really, but I just like this lip gloss. And then I'm going to line my lips with the Jordana pencil, and this is in color Tenacious Brown. I just feel like this brown liner helps to bring the look together so much more. Okay, so this next step is an added bonus. Y'all know how Fenty Beauty has that body lava? This black Radiance highlighter, liquid highlighter, on your collarbone and also on your shoulders is going to give you that type look. I believe this is supposed to be like a highlight that you use on your cheekbones, but I tried it on my shoulders and my collarbone and it looks so good. So after you apply it, you just use your foundation brush to smooth it out, and this is going to give you a nice glow, girl. Alright ladies, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.